I bought a Triplex Toro 3100D at the old auction, and today's the day. I'm going over to pick it up right now, and he's about a day early. So this dude's in a moving van. So we could just drop it off at the house then.
That's what I'm saying.
If he's got a little dinky trailer. So this machine's really cold. I don't know if it's gonna start. It's been out in the cold for several days. Okay, got her started up. Need to let it warm up just for a second, and then hopefully we're gonna drive it off. So there it is, guys. There's the Toro Reelmaster 3100D. Just came all the way from Georgia. It's gone over 2,000 miles, and I'm super stoked to get this in the garage, kind of tear it apart a little bit, clean it up, get the reels sharpened, and go for it. This is an awesome day right before Christmas, and I'm super excited to show you guys what else I got going on with this project, how we're gonna make it look awesome, how it's gonna freaking stripe this baby awesome. Folks, this is the Toro Reelmaster 3100D. This is a diesel engine. It's got a Kubota 3-cylinder engine on it, and this thing's a sidewinder. So this thing will stripe about maybe 80 inches or so across. This thing has 3 reels wide, 1, 2, and then there's one in the middle back here. The reels are 27 inches long, so about 3 of those, so about 80 or 85 inches or something like that it will be able to cut. This is going to save a ton of time for me. So the tires are bald. I need to get new tires. The seat's all kind of mangled up right there. This machine has around 3,600 hours on it. It's an older machine. It's probably, I think, a 2003 model. And yeah, I got it for an okay price, but still, it's fairly old. I'm not sure how much it's actually really worth if I was to sell it on the private market, but probably about what I paid for it. This is a trim mower. So it's primarily designed to cut from about 3/8 of an inch all the way up to like 1 1/4 or 1 1/2 or something. This is an 8-blade reel system. So this machine does not come with baskets. I was kind of hoping it would, but it does not come with baskets, and so that would be an expensive proposition to put 3 baskets on this. I would really like to have baskets on it because I like to catch my clippings, but this is going to enable me to mow daily and or every other day a lot easier and quicker than I was mowing before. Before I just had a walk-behind mower. And yes, I am going to keep my walk-behind mower. Not sure why this thing is kind of bent down like this. This might have been how the previous owner wanted it, slanted down like that. This thing was filthy when I got it, so I wanted to bring it out here to pressure wash it and spray it off. Today I want to take off the reels and take them to my guy to have them sharpened. I'm going to get some new tires. Be nice to put some more new paint on the wheels there. Looks to me like there's this chain right here, and this nut's got to take this chain off in order to get the reel off. So I'm not familiar with this machine, but it looks like you pull this pin to get the reel off. Pull this out. So now I think I can pull this off here like this. Oh man, that's flipping heavy. Holy crap, that's heavy. So to remove the motor from the cutting unit, you've got to undo these two screws. There's one over here and one over here. It's a 9/16 inch socket. Just take off this bolt right here like this. There's another one right here. So once you remove those two screws, this just pulls out like this. So there we go. I've got the front two cutting units off the machine. Now I just need to remove the rear cutting unit. So this should just come off like that. See how dirty that is? Hopefully I can just kind of store that right there. So with that motor off, I need to take this pin out like this. Look at that! It's off, pal! You can see, just covered in dirt. This is filthy. There's rust on this bar. It needs to be overhauled and cleaned up. Look how thick and beefy those reels are. Those things are super thick. Looks to me like an 8-blade reel. So the first thing I want to do is kind of take all these reels apart, repaint these things, and just kind of make them look shiny and new, a lot better looking. So they're kind of nasty and really kind of rust filled right now, but if I clean them up, it'll look a lot better. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this project and kind of what I've got going on, and I knew you guys would be interested in this. Like I said, this is a 2003 machine. I'm not sure how much this machine would cost brand new, but it's probably going to cost in the $20,000 to $30,000 range, I would guess. I don't know for sure. Maybe somebody else could verify that, but that would be for a brand new machine. But this is, 15 years old. But Toro builds tanks. Those guys know how to build them strong. Those old mowers that I have, they are built like tanks and they're awesome. So probably going to get new bed knives and sharpen the reels and kind of go from there. So this thing's going to save a ton of time for when I'm mowing, and I'm super stoked about this thing. I got this at an auction. I paid $1,250 before the auction fees. After the auction fees, it was about $1,500, and then I had to have it shipped out to me, and that was quite expensive to have that shipped out to me. It came 2,000 miles, and it cost me around $1,500 to have it shipped. So all in all, I'm into this around $3,000. Anyways, just want to show you this project. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and there'll be a lot more to come with this thing. It's going to provide hours and hours of enjoyment and pleasure for me.